GC to Alexis, Natasha Comfort, Agaba Joel. And today we are going to talk about an electric bell. An electric bell is an electric device that functions by means of an electromagnet.
Thank you, Miss, for giving me the opportunity to talk. I'm going to talk about parts of an electric bell. First of all, we have the switch, power source, motor, and the gong. I'm going to give you this opportunity to Comfort.
Thank you very much, Joel, for giving me this opportunity. I'm going to talk about the functions of each part on an electric bell. The switch breaks the circuit. The power source energizes the electromagnet in the motor, and the electromagnet forces the hammer, and the gong produces the sound. Let me give this opportunity to Alexis.
Thank you, Comfort, for giving me this opportunity to talk. I am going to talk about the importance of an electric bell. They are used in doorbells, alarm systems, school bells. For example, in this school we have an electric bell. Thank you. Let me give this opportunity to talk.
Without wasting time, I'm going to tell you how the electric bell works.
Like this,